Welcome to the Black Cat Roundabout, and today we're looking over the compound where they've been planning and carrying out the works. And the reason for that is they've just put in a planning application to turn this into a new welcome break services. It's going to have an amenity building, the standard drive-through coffee shop, loads of EV chargers, a small petrol station, and not many HGV parking spaces, which caused some annoyance over on Facebook when I posted a link to that earlier in the week. So if you're interested in that, come over to Facebook and have a look. But for now, let's have a look over the A421. And it's really starting to change as you drive along here, heading towards Bedford. The open lane there is the road that takes you down towards Bedford. The other lane was closed this morning, so the eastbound and the A1 northbound were closed for installation of a new central reservation. And we'll take a look in a moment and have a look just at what was going on there. I think we can maybe see it in some of the footage, but you can see there's been great progress on building up the A421, so you'll run into there across the top of that flyover and onto the new flyover, which is now complete. All the beams are in place. The two cranes that were on site were removed earlier on Friday, I believe. There was a third crane that came along to do that. So all the beams have been put in place, and now the rest of the construction concentrates on getting that finished, which is going to take a while. They've got till next April to get this done. But the other two bridges are really coming along, and you'll see as we pan around that other things have happened around the site. There's also loads of work going on. You see there's an excavator there moving away. Looks like they've built up that embankment into the A421 Flyover over the top of what'll be the Black Cat Roundabout there. So you can see on this left-hand bridge, that will carry the A421 over the Black Cat Roundabout, which will be in place there. You'll have the central A421 Flyover to take you over the A1, which will be lowered. And then you've got the two bridges either side, which will create the Black Cat Roundabout again. So we're looking north. You can see the A1 north closed. Can't see any works to create a central reserve, as it's called on the A428 website. But lots of excavators working Saturday morning there. You can see both of them. There's a small tipper and a roller working. Also, what is that pipe in the centre there? But I'll say it before it's mentioned in the comments. Still water on that right-hand part of the flyover, isn't there? And it hasn't rained for weeks, so where is that coming from? Is that some of the piping that's going to be done? Still, there's pipes still dotted about, drainage bits to be put in place. There's that new A421 flyover. All the beams now in place. It took a while to get that last one lifted, but the other end 5 beams, 4 put in place this week. But as we look around the site, you're going to see a load of works happened to our left here. And you can see the excavator working there, lowering the A1 into that flyover bridge. And that is going to be the focus for the next few months. Now, creating this fly under these bridges, or for the bridges, looking like they're on final deck, I believe it's called. The left-hand bridge, slightly behind the one on the right. The one on the right has to be put into place and opened earlier. The one on the left won't be opened until much later in the scheme. You can see there, down that huge drain, nothing really under it. So I wonder what's going to go in there. Still lots of piles to be exposed as we pass over the top. One of the benefits of the cranes being down, we can come a lot lower. I think we were at about 55, 60 metres at this point. You can see there the Bowser truck soaking the surface to keep that dust down. Really vital with the motorway either side, the A road either side even. As we come around the back, you can see the rebars coming up for the parapets of this bridge. And you can see there the excavator there filling that tipper. But look at all of those piles, still not dug out. Still something clearly to be done there. See that tipper being filled. And that might be the soil that's going off down towards the East Coast Main Line. We should be able to get some video of that over the next few weeks when the road is closed, hopefully. I had some really kind offers of people who are willing to let me use their gardens and let me stand in their front lawns to capture the footage, which is really kind. So you can see there they're digging out this section and creating this new underpass, which will carry the A1 continuously down. You see that bows are spinning around and creating that dust cloud as it leaves the water behind. Will help stop there being many more clouds of dust. Locals where I live completely furious about the amount of dust coming off a construction site at the moment due to the dry conditions. But as we pan back, you can see here this is the northern bridge of the new Black Cat Roundabout, a little bit behind the other one, and again there's a little bit of water visible, isn't there? I guess there's still all of the drainage works to be done around here, which will alleviate that. At the top you can see the embankment's really built up, and that's where I think there's going to be a slip road there, isn't there? The road that's in place at the moment isn't the actual final slip road from memory. I think it's an access road from the BP services, and I wonder how that'll be affected by this new services on the roundabout itself. I believe they're run by the same company. See the bows are now heading back towards it. Got a new site office built there. As we look back, you see how much soil's still to come out. There's a huge hill there, isn't there? I don't think that's going to be left in place as much fun as it would be. Tippers are moving backwards and forwards. The culvert works a bit further down. We'll zoom in a moment. Don't seem to have done much at all on these bits up here, but lots of tarmac in place now. Really start to get a feel for the area when the tarmac appears. Looking across here, this is where east-west rail is going to run, straight down here. I believe it's about there. I'll zoom in and have a look what the excavator was up to. I don't think it was actually crewed at this point. The tipper was reversing back to where the other excavator was working. But yeah, I think this is where east-west rail will run eventually. It was meant to be the site of the services, but they've been relocated. Wonder what that means for the used car garage there. And that huge hole that was there has been infilled, hasn't it? And as we look month by month, the hole gets smaller and smaller. There's the zoom in on that culvert. Not sure what's going on there. Would love to get a closer view. I'm going to have to figure out a way I can get over there and get a better look. Maybe I'll just have to use the hire company's entrance with them being shut on the weekend. Maybe we'll do that next weekend. But the look over the site, you can see they've really cleared this section up. You can see the Bowser's now moving in front of that tipper to stop it creating dust when it leaves. And you see the tipper then moving into place. Not quite as many as on the Universal site. Saw them lining up on there yesterday. But still, nice and precision. One gone and one arriving not so long after. Like I said, can't really see this central reserve works. What is that on the right? The bottom right hand corner with a ladder going up to it. I've not spotted that before and I can't figure what that would be for. Any answers down in the comments? Meanwhile, we can... That's completely thrown me. That I didn't spot that when I was filming this. I'm completely watching the tipper being filled. I wonder what that's for. That little... Looks almost like massive blocks, doesn't it? With a ladder going up. But yeah, maybe that's why the road's been closed. Maybe there's been a crane on that. Anyway, I have no idea what this is for. And what is that at the top as well? I'm going to pause the footage here. Well, I'm just going to have a look at the released pictures. I can't tell what these bits are for. It does look pretty final on the top there, doesn't it, above the excavator. And also something has been built there. Don't recognise that at all. So any clues down in the comments below. Like I said, you can see the bridge parapets being put into place on that northern bridge. But as we look south here, looking down the A1, loads of work still to do. Obviously, this temporary road with that, you can see the traffic flowing through now, which forms the Black Cat at the moment. That all needs to be removed. It'll be diverted onto the new bridge at some point. But to get to that stage, they really need to get this section cleared. That won't happen until they've moved all of the final bits, I guess, and the last use of the cranes. So maybe now they are in the final straights on this section. You can see there the excavator and the roller working to build up that level up to that bridge. So you'll have a small decline to come underneath. Does look like it'll be a really tight turn to come out of that far bridge as you turn around onto that overbridge over the A1. See the sweeping turn you're going to have to make there. But yeah, you can see the roller working away in the excavator, filling that tipper. Guess that then gets tipped into there. Don't think I hanged around long enough to see that. See the parapets are going to all get built up. And then you'll have the surface added. Still needs a bit removed. Looks like some of that might have been happening this week, that pile sat in front of the bridge. There's that tube again, so I wonder what that tube's for. Haven't spotted that over the last couple of months, so wonder where we'll see that. Like I said, you've clearly got water down there next to the excavator on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. I guess that's due to the drainage not being in place yet. Maybe there'll be a pump or something installed there. There's clearly some huge drains still piled up at the side of the A421. So looking over the scheme, it's another week of real progress. Have a quick look down into the southern section. This is where I think those utilities were found that delayed it slightly. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the update next week. The update from the marina this week was that big fire, the big boat fire down there. It was really sad to see. Luckily only one boat destroyed. Could have been a lot worse. Didn't head down there. I'll be honest, I don't know the area very well down there. But you can see here, the excavator's been working, clearing this central section. And there's something there, isn't it? On the left-hand side, got a red corn parked on top of it. Maybe the new utilities they found were in that area. But something down there. But yeah, there's the southern section. As the red kite says hello to the drone, it was time to bring it back and get home safely with the drone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week. And there's the Black Cat in all its glory. It's really coming on as the project comes towards the final 6 months.